Dear viewers, we are here in Butterworth today with the new ferry, brand new ferry. We are going from Butterworth to Georgetown. Here you can see the new one. Very nice and beautiful. Indoor cabin with air conditioning. Beautiful views for you. Very smooth. Very nice than before. Before they were using the old one, very old. Now it is very smooth.